where'd you guys get this getup? What do you got on?
Bought it at Party City, and then I wired the lights on it.
Wow, it's very bright.
We've been riding together.
Where are you guys from?
St. Cloud.
St. Cloud. All right. You ready for the fireworks?
I'm George Washington, and this is my wife, Martha.
I'm Martha.
Martha and George.
Yeah.
Yes.
I've never heard of you.
Okay.
Not ringing a bell.
Not ringing a bell.
I don't know. So how did you guys get into doing this? It's pretty cool.
We were asked by the committee to come down and do something and have a little fun and educate people, and so we decided, this would be a good thing.
And did you have to audition? Were you the one that looked most like George and Martha? Or?
No, I don't think so. No, this was an idea. Tom, the fireworks commissioner, said let's do something like this. So it's worked very well.
Cool.
We've
Very
enjoyed
cool.
it. We've had a lot of fun.
I'll let you go educate some more people.
Okay, thank you.